Hello dear Aquarius, welcome back to my channel and this is your May's first week's reading exclusively for your career and for your love. Your cards are already out. If you're looking for a monthly reading, right, so that's already uploaded on my channel. Click on the videos section and you will find your reading. If you want to know more about or want to book any reading, ritual or session, please stay tuned till the end because April 27th full moon is happening and I would like to talk more about it. Why is that date important? So let's start. Let's dive into your reading. We'll start with your love life first. You've got the Eight of Stars and the Eight of Suns. There's another 8 that I see in another card. So please make sure that you Google 88. 888 888 also. Why is it relevant to you? What are the angels trying to tell you? Please Google the meaning of it because 88 has come in your reading. You could be seeing 888 as well. If you do, please comment and let me know. Now I do see that Gemini Sun Moon Rising could be relevant for you. You could have Gemini Sun Moon Rising in your own birth chart or your partner or somebody that you're dealing with. I do feel that somebody has left you feeling very negative about life in general, about love relationships, about, left you in a lot of negative space. I also see that you could be overthinking a lot because someone you trusted betrayed you, left you, abandoned you. You are in a very hurt energy, right? Where you have lost all hope regards to your future, that I will never be able to find the right partner, I will never get married, that kind of situation. What is that doing to you is you could be going into depression, you could not be sleeping well, eating well, taking care of your health, or even physically being ill as well, not just mentally, physically also you could see that your body is reacting, right? You're falling sick too often or you're getting rashes on your body or some sort of aches in your body. So if you are dealing with that situation, please note that this is your own negativity which is doing it, right? Because your future holds very nicely. Your past has already happened. So what is happening right now that you are mentally stuck in your past. So till the time you do not move forward, you cannot have any sort of progress in your life. The only way to have progress in your life in the first week of May is to start thinking positively, right? I also see that some of you could have isolated yourselves, not spending time with your friends and family, staying in your own room or staying in your own house. This is a very negative way to live. Please go out, breathe some fresh air, meet people, and come out of your negativity. That is the only way if you want your life to progress, if you want another partner to come into your life, or you want to feel happy again, right? If you do not give positivity to yourself or your relationships, and relationships doesn't just mean spouse or partner, it also means your children, family, parents, siblings, friends as well. So start with there. Start loving yourself, start giving positivity to your own body, start taking care of yourself, and you will see that you will eventually come out of it. That negativity will eventually go and you will find a lot of progress in it, right? So please work on yourself. That's the only way to achieve progress in the first week. Now let's talk about your career. What is happening in your career? You have got the astrologer card and the justice card. Again, it is an 8 number. So Google 888 for your career and your love as well. I do see that. I think it could be that somebody betrayed you in your work as well, which means that you could have lost a lot of money, right? Maybe you gave or lended or loaned someone money and they took it and ran away, or somebody who promised you something and that did not happen, or you gave an exam that you did not clear. So some sort of karmic connection is here. If somebody did you wrong, let me just tell you, they will get their karma. The justice card has come into your reading in the first week, which means that in the first week of May you could hear that, oh, that person got hurt, that person got their karma, right? So if you're lucky enough, you will definitely hear about that. Universe will karmically balance everything for you. You do not have to worry about a single thing. You do not have to take revenge from anyone. It will be balanced. So anyone who has done wrong to you, they will get their karma. So it is a beautiful reading if you look at it. Your own negativity and stuck situation is blocking you from moving forward or from hearing the good news. Okay. So if you come out of that negativity, the cards are very good. It is a very positive week for you because you will see a lot of changes in your own life and your surroundings as well. You will start seeing the positive things around your love life, your relationships and your work. So if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do comment and let me know if you can resonate, and if you are giving me examples on how someone betrayed you. Also, if you would like to claim the positive energies of this reading, do comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy, so that these positive energies reach you faster and help you grow and come out of that negativity. Also, you will keep getting these videos in advance. That means before that week comes or that month comes. So please, it's important for you to subscribe. Last but not the least, let's talk about the personal readings. If you want to book a personal reading or any ritual or any counseling session, there are easy ways to do it. You can either email me on the given email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, mentioned in my description box and bio, or you can directly DM me on Instagram as well. Guys, please follow me on Instagram too, which is the Moksha Tarot, because I post all such details over there on a daily basis. My prices are very cheap. My cheapest reading is personal reading option, which where the reading starts with 170 rupees for one question. It goes higher depending upon what you choose. If you want specific audio or video calls, you can choose that also for 25 minutes or 45 minutes. If you want to book a ritual, April 27th is the time. April 27th is full moon. It's a perfect time for rituals because the cosmos has very strong positive energies. You can use it to your advantage. So if you would like to book a ritual which is Bayleaf ritual, a manifestation ritual, because you think you cannot do any ritual, you don't know how to do it, then you can just ask me. I will do it in your behalf. Second is the blockage removal ritual. If you think you're too stuck in life, love is not happening, career growth is not happening, promotion, exam is not getting cleared, health is not improving, then please book a blockage removal ritual and start on April 27th. It's imperative that you start on that day so that you can attract all the positive energies. Okay, it's a 1 month long ritual, easy affirmations, no ingredients required. Anyone can do it and equally powerful. Okay, this will help you stay positive for a long period of time also, and that is why it goes on for a month. So very nice rituals available. Apart from that, if you're looking for packages, which means that if you're in a love relationship, situationship or marriage, and if you're single, there are different packages for you guys because you're going through different situations. So the set of questions are different. If you are in a friendship, you want to know the future without wasting time, you can book that. And if you want to know about career only, there's a different package for that also. Please know that every package comes with a free remedy, a free ritual that I give to you to remove the blockages from whatever is holding back from your true potential. Okay, so please contact me. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram for more updates. Take care of yourself and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.